Alright, so in the last video we took a look at 4 chords that go well together. Those were G, D, E minor, and C. If you didn't see that video, go check it out when you get a chance. We're going to be taking a look at how to make that a little bit more interesting once you got the basics down for those 4 chords. In this one we can take a look at starting at C instead of G, and that sounds like this. That's a C chord. So that was C, G, D, and then we can go to E minor. So if that's one way you can do it, by just changing up where you start from. Another thing is you can change the speed or the duration of how long you stay on a chord. So say I stay on C longer. I'm staying on C longer. So that's another way you can make things a little bit different or your own or interesting. Another thing we can do is try to add a little bit of a walk down from G to E minor when we play the chord progression. And that sounds like this. So we go from C, D, and then we go G, F sharp, E minor. It makes things a little bit more interesting when you're playing those 4 basic chords. And you can add one chord progression to another. So if you play G, D, E minor, C, then you can take that C. So you can add on to what we previously looked at. So hopefully that made sense. And if not, comment and tell me I'm confusing. So like the video, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. That wraps it up for today's video.